Welcome to our smart 7-bed house share on Muller Road in Horfield. This house offers spacious and bright double rooms throughout, all of which are available to let on a weekly, flexible basis with the option to stay as long as you like. There is a cosy communal sitting room, and a sociable dining area overlooking the large garden. The large kitchen is fully equipped with everything you might need during your stay, including all kitchenware and essentials such as salt, pepper, oil, tea, coffee and sugar. On the first floor there are 2 large bathrooms, both with baths and showers. There is 1 bedroom on the ground floor, 4 on the first floor and 2 bedrooms on the top floor. The house is looked after by a live-in house manager who cleans the communal areas on a daily basis, meaning it's kept to a high standard throughout. All bedrooms are fully furnished with wardrobes, desks, beds, chest of drawers, and we also supply the bedding. There is fast broadband throughout and on-street parking available. This house is conveniently located close to Gloucester Road and Southmead Hospital, as well as on a quick bus route into the city centre. If you'd like more information on this property or room availability, please give us a call on 0117 322 4904.